Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So our next chapter is chapter 19, money. So money used by our country, that is Indian currency, consists of rupees and coins. Okay, so Indian currencies consist of rupees and coins. Rupees we will represent by using the symbol rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. And coin by the symbol P. P for paise. Okay. Now we know 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Okay. So first topic, expressing money in figures and words. So 25 rupees. Let us take one example. 25 rupees 75 paise. How can we write in figures? In number form, how can we write this? We use decimal notation to represent this. That is, rupees you have to write before decimal point. So 25 point. Now paise you have to write after decimal point. 0.75. Now the symbol you can use this rupees. Rupees 25.75. In this way we can express money in figures. Okay, or in number form you can write like this. Now in words, how can you write it? Is rupees 25 and 75 paise. Okay, first write a rupees, then 25 and 75 paise. In this way we will write. Okay. Now exercise 19a. First question, express each of the following amount in figures. So you have to write this in figures. Okay. A, rupees 23 and 30 paise. So how can you write this? First write a rupee symbol, then 23 rupees it is. So rupees 23.30 paise. So 30 you can write after point. Okay. So rupees 23.30. Next B, rupees 250 and 75 paise. So how can you write? Rupees 250.75. Okay, rupees you have to write before decimal point. After decimal point you have to write paise. Now rupees 760 paise. So rupees 700.60. D, rupees 64 and 5 paise. So rupees 64 you can write before decimal point. Now 5 paise. Here you have to note one thing. This 5 paise, don't write just 5. You have to write 05. After decimal point, 2 digits should be there. Okay, while expressing this money in figures, after decimal point, 2 digits should be there. So 5 paise you have to write like this 05. Okay, so rupees 64.05. Now do the remaining 3 as homework. Second question, express each of the following amounts in words. In that A, rupees 43.25. You have to write in words. Okay, so that is, you can write like this, rupees 43 and 25 paise. Okay, next B, rupees 237.40. How can you write in words? Rupees 237 and 40 paise. Okay. Now in that F, rupees 12.00. So in here, the paise part it is 0. So no need to write that. Okay. You can just write a rupees 12. Now G, rupees 0.75. Here rupees part it is 0, so no need to write that. You can just write a paise part, it is paise 75. Okay, in this way you can write. Do the remaining as homework. Next, the third one. Convert the following amounts into paise. In that A, 42 rupees 30 paise. So this you have to convert to paise. First, write this in decimal form. Okay, so how can you write this? Rupees 42.30. Now in order to convert rupees to paise, what to do? we know the relation 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So rupees 42.30 is how many paise? Just multiply this rupees into 100 or by 100. Okay, in order to convert rupees to paise, just multiply the given rupees by 100. So you can multiply by 100. What you will get? 42.30 into 100. Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay, multiplication by 100. So decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So you will get 4230 paise. So this will be the answer. Okay, rupees 42.30. It is 4230 paise. Next, 436 rupees 45 paise. So how can you write in decimal notation or in figures? You can write rupees 436.45. Now in order to convert this rupees to paise, what to do? Just multiply by 100. Okay, so rupees 436.45 into 100. This decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. Okay, so rupees 43,645 paise. Okay, F 5 rupees 8 paise. So first write this in decimal notation or figures. So rupees 5.08. Okay, now in order to convert this rupees to paise, what to do? Just multiply by 100. So what you will get? This multiplication by 100. Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So here will be the new decimal point. You will get the answer 508 paise. So this is the answer. Okay, do the remaining as homework. Fourth question, convert the following amounts into paise. Actually it is the same as third question. So A, rupees 415.65. How can you convert this rupees to paise? Just multiply by 100. So what you will get? It is 41,565 paise. Okay, next B, rupees 36.55. In order to convert this rupees to paise, just multiply by 100. What you will get? 3,655 paise it is. Okay, now in that G, 200 rupees 200.00. So in order to convert rupees to paise, just multiply by 100. So rupees 200 into 100. What you will get? It is 200.00. That is 20,000 paise it is. Okay, now H, rupees 500.70. So in order to convert rupees to paise, just multiply by 100. What you will get? Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So you will get 50,070 paise. Okay, do the remaining as homework. Now in that fifth one, convert the following amount into rupees. Okay, so question is given in paise, you have to convert that into rupees. So what to do? In order to convert rupees to paise, just multiply by 100. In order to convert paise to rupees, divide by 100. Okay, so A, 2,680 paise. In order to convert paise to rupees, just divide this amount by 100. So 2,680 divided by 100. What you will get? Division by 100. Decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. You will get rupees 26.80. This will be the answer. Okay, in that B, 56,832 paise. So in order to convert paise to rupees, just divide the amount by 100. So what you will get? The decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2 here. Okay, so you will get rupees 568.32. Okay. Now see 130 paise. In order to convert paise to rupees, just divide by 100. So what you will get, it is rupees 1.30. Okay. Now in that last one, L, 6 paise. So in order to convert paise to rupees, what to do? Just divide by 100. So 6 by 100, what you will get? Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So here is the decimal point. This is 1. Second digit you can put 0 there. Then before the 0, decimal point will come. Okay. So decimal point will move 2 places to the left. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. That is 0.06 you will get. But before point, no number is there. You can put 0. Okay, so it is rupees 0.06. Okay, this is 6 paise. Now next topic, addition and subtraction of money. So exercise 19B, first question, express each of the following amounts in figures. In that A, rupees 512.40 and rupees 65.95. So you have to express this in figures. In order to express these two amounts in figures, first you have to add these. Okay, so 512.40 and 65.95. How will you add? Rupees you have to write in one column. Now this paise part you have to arrange in another column. Okay, arrange these amounts such that rupees come in the same column and paise come in same column. Okay, so 512.40 plus rupees 65.95. So this 65 you have to write like this. Ones place digit should come under same column. Tens place digit should come under same column. Okay, now paise part you can write 95. Okay, now adding, what you will get? 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 4, 13. Carry over 1. Decimal point is coming here. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 1, 7, 5. So rupees 578.35. Now you can write in figures. Write this amount in figures. This is rupees 578. You can write 578 and 35 paise. 35 paise. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, B, rupees 815 and rupees 75.45. So first you have to add these two amounts. So how will you add rupees? You have to, first arrange these amounts in such a way that rupees should come under same column and paise should come under same column. Okay, so 815. Rupees 815. Here paise part it is not given. Okay, so you can put 0 there, 2 zeros, plus rupees 75.45. How will you write? 75. Ones place digit should come under same column. Tens place digit should come under same column. So in this way you can write 75.45. You can write. Okay, now adding, what you will get? 890 rupees 45 paise. Now you can write this in figures. So this is rupees 890. Rupees 890 and 45 paise. 45 paise. Okay, so this is the answer. H, rupees 75,146.85, rupees 4,594.40, rupees 7.65 and rupees 0.45. So first, arranging the given amounts in column, what you will get? First, rupees 75,146.85 plus, now 4,594.40. So it is rupees 4,594. Here ones place digit should come under same column. Tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, in that way you have to write the numbers one below the other. 0.40. Next amount 7.65 rupees 7. So 7 you have to write under ones place digit. Okay, 7.65. Now rupees 0.45. So rupees 0.45. Okay, now adding what you will get. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 4, 23. Carry over to decimal point is coming here. So write that. Okay, now 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 7, 19. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 4, 9, 7. So the answer is rupees 79,749.35. You have to write this in figures. Rupees 79,749 and 35 paise. 35 paise. This is the answer. Okay. Next I, rupees 85,159, rupees 45,225.20, rupees 12.45 and rupees 1.75. So first arranging this amount in column, you can write rupees 85,159. Here paise part is not given, so you can put zeros. Okay, plus next amount 45,225.20. Then 12 point. So 12.45 you have to write like this. Plus 1.75. Okay. Now adding what you will get, it is 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 7, 14. Decimal point will come. 9 plus 1, 10. 17, 18. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 3, here 10. 13. So this is 1,30,398. So the answer you can write rupees 1,30,398. 398 and 40 paise. Okay, so this is the answer.